In this session, we shall do again summary writing, passage number 9. Now we shall read the passage. A unique partnership between, now what I will underline, no adjective, okay, just I will write partnership between Kumaon villagers, so Kumaon villagers and the forest department at the Jim Corbett National Park. Okay, so the partnership is between the Kumaon villagers and the forest department of the Jim Corbett National Park has helped to protect many rare wildlife species. Now they are protecting wildlife and scripted one of the world's best conservation stories. Now this is all descriptive, और उन्होंने एक नया scripted means has written something best story. So this is just for the sake of description it is written. So what I will do, I will cut it. Why I have cut it, I won't take it in my this summary that I have explained you. Here the villagers work as gillies. Okay, so what I will write, villagers, already I have included Kumaon villagers. So I will write what is important, work as gillies. So I just cancel this. It means forest guards. I will underline the word forest guards. Okay, means forest guards. It I will cut. In the local Kumaoni language, cut. They guide the tourists to scenic spots. Now what do? 1. They guide the tourists to the scenic spots. Help them choose the right place for angling. Okay, they help them for angling. Angling means sitting in a place from where you can observe the animals and keep a watchful eye on illegal activities in the park. Now over here, keep a watchful eye. So instead of keep a watchful eye, just I say keep watch. Okay, watchful eye, keep a watch. Okay, on illegal activities. Obviously, the activities are going to happen in the park. So I won't take the word in the park. This modest endeavor, modest means very small, endeavor that is effort, by the forest department has created employment opportunities for the local villagers. Now, what it has created? Employment opportunities. The active participation of the locals has helped the park management monitor the vast areas. And what is the benefit on park side? They can monitor the vast area of the park. The straddle the Shivalik foothills, straddle that is spread the Shivalik foothills in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand. That is the place of. The 1,300 square kilometer park has about 130 tigers, 500 plus Asiatic wild elephants, and around 120 leopards besides sambar and charismatic spotted deer. The park also has a large variety of small-bodied mammals, avian species, and precious flora. Now this whole passage, okay, I just take into account, I just read and keep it in my mind that this passage describes the biodiversity. Biodiversity, that means different animals, or I will write over here flora and fauna. At a time when the country's wildlife is hit by a growing man-animal conflict, poaching, and livestock pressures, the Corbett National Park, located about 290 kilometers from Delhi, is a success story that many wildlife managers would love to replicate. Now all this is just a description. Okay, they have repeated that at the time when country's wildlife is hit, when there is a lot of a poaching, that is illegal hunting, and there is a conflict between human and animal, and at such juncture, the partnership between the Kumaon villagers and the park, okay, to save the mammal animals is worth. Okay, so that is just a description. So this passage is all together. I am going to omit it. I won't take a single word because it is not at all important. If you will read the passage, you will come to know that the gist of the passage is the work done together by Kumaon villagers and the park management. Now what is written about that thing? Now everything here in between they have written these many lions are there and these many elephants are there and these many leopards. This is a mere digression. Digression means while that is deviation from the main point. So you will not write this also. What is the main theme is that? One thing is that there is a partnership between Kumaon villagers and the forest department of the Jim Corbett National Park. Why this partnership? That is to protect the main rare wildlife. Now what are the benefits? How do the villagers work? They work as a ghillies. Okay, and what do? They guard the forest. Okay, they guard the tourists. Okay, they guard the tourists for angling and keep a watch on illegal activities. Yes, in return, what do they get? They get an employment. And how the park management is benefited? How the park manager benefited? That they can monitor the vast area of the park. Now this is the theme. Now I will put this theme. I have understood it so well that I will write it in my own words or taking help from the passage. See, I have already underlined the important points. I will include only the important points. So the first of all, I will write that, okay, the forest department at the Jim Corbett National Park and Kumaon villagers are working together. For what? Together to protect, or you can write to conserve, any word, okay, to protect, be simple, to protect wildlife. Or if you want to write something, to protect diverse, okay, because they have given diverse wildlife. Or you can write wildlife diversity. Wildlife diversity. I think wildlife is also, even if you write wildlife, it is more than enough. Now, see, first sentence I have written, what is the partnership and what they are doing. Now the next is, what do they do? Now I will write Kumaon villagers work as ghillies, comma, what does it means? So I will just write forest guards. When I write like this, forest guards, that is clear. Or I can write a word if means forest guards. Yes? Okay, full stop. Now what do? They guide. See, over here I will write they guide tourist, comma, yes, help for angling, comma, and what do? One, keep, and last one you have to write, and keep watch on illegal activities. Yes, I just put a point. Understood? Now, what do they get? They get employment. And the park can, okay, the management, okay, the management can monitor the park. Okay, the manager can monitor the park. Now this is all. Okay, this is all about what is in the passage or what is important in the passage. Is that clear to you? Now, what title I will give? Now I will think about the title. I can write the title as Gillies. Yes. Or I can write Gillies dash Forest Guards. Or I can write Conservation Story. Yes. Or I can write A Unique Partnership. Yes. So in this way, or I can write Protect Wildlife. This way I will give the title to the story. See, here I have given the title Conservation Partnership. Okay, the Forest Department at the Jim Corbett National Park and Kumaon villagers are working together to protect wildlife biodiversity. The villagers work as gillies, forest guards and guide tourists to scenic spots, angling and keep watch on illegal activities. They get employment and management can monitor vast park and wildlife is saved. That's all. This is the perfect summary. With that, we end this session. Thank you.